Good morning, children. Welcome to today's class. So, yesterday we started chapter 3 integers. So, set of integers which set is known as integers means whole numbers along with the negatives is known as set of integers. Set of integers are denoted by Z or I. Z or I. So integers we can represent on the number line. Before represent number line, just you see, already yesterday I explained, 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0 is neither positive nor negative. If you take only positives, this is known as set of positive integers. It is represented by Z plus. And only if you take negatives, minus 1, minus 2, minus 10, it is represented by Z minus. So here, if you take along with natural, these are natural numbers, no? So natural numbers along with 0, we can say this is Z plus only. Here non-negative integers means all are positives. So positive sign we are not keeping in front of any number. So just you see number that is positive only. In this chapter you have to take like that. Next, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. These are negatives. Non-positive here. Non-positive integers. This set is called non-positive integers. This is non-negative integers. So 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So when we are representing integers on the number line, exactly middle we have to write 0. 0 right side are positives. We have to take same distance. Each number between same distance. Negatives left side. See here, 0 is left side of positive numbers. So 0 is less than of positive numbers. Means all positives are greater than 0. For example, 3 is greater than 0. 10 is greater than 0. So all positives are greater than 0 or 0 is less than of positive integers. Next, 0 is right side of negative numbers. So 0 is greater than of negative numbers means minus 2 is 0 is greater than minus 2. Minus 10 is greater than 0 is greater than minus 10. So 0 is greater than of negative integers. So always negative integers are lie left side of 0 on the number line. So when we are moving left to side, value is decreasing. So when we write negative sign before the number, so then that number smaller one become bigger, bigger one becomes smaller. Now see, minus 100, minus 10. Now which is small, which is great? How we will say? Minus 100 is left side of minus 10, no? So minus 100 is less than minus 10. Now minus 10 only great. Why? Because before having negative sign. For example, minus 3, 4. Now which is small? Minus 3. Which is great? 4. 4 is greater than minus 3. Negatives always less than of positives. Remember children, negative numbers always less than of positive numbers. So 0, middle we have to represent at the number line. So right side, when we are moving right side, value is increasing. So infinite number of positive integers. Smallest positive integer is 1. Greatest negative integer is minus 1. Smallest negative integer is cannot determine. Greatest positive integer also cannot determine. We can write right side infinite number of positive integers. left side we can write infinite number of negative integers. Next, comparison of integers. One more example. Minus 23, minus 15, 0, minus 4, minus 7. See now, arrange these numbers in ascending order. How we will arrange? Now in this ascending order means smaller number to bigger number. Among these, which is the smaller one? Minus 23. You remember always when we write negative sign before a number, here bigger number will become smaller. So now minus 23 is smaller than next minus 15, after minus 7, after minus 4, after 0. Like this we have to write. Understood, Nana? Minus 23 is smaller than of these integers, and minus 15, after minus 7, minus 4, 0. Like this we have to arrange in ascending order. One more example. Minus 12, minus 1, minus 16, minus 25, 14. Arrange in descending order. Descending order means numbers are arranged from greater number to smaller number. So now which is greater among these integers? 14. Positives always great. 14 is greater than, 13 is greater than. Now which is great? Minus 1, minus 25, minus 16, minus 12. When we are seeing negatives, we remember always smaller one will become great. Minus 1 is great, after minus 12, after minus 16, after 25. Minus 25. So like this you have to write in descending order. Descending order. Next, one more. Absolute value. Absolute value. Absolute value of any integer is a sign regardless. Means this is the symbol for absolute value. For example, absolute value of minus 3 is 3 only. Absolute value of plus 3 also 3 only. So in the symbol minus 3. In this is also called as modulus also. Modulus minus 3 means 3 only. Either positive or negative, we have to remove sign, just we have to write positive. See one more example. Minus of minus 7. You leave this sign first. What is the value of absolute value of minus 7? 7. Before what you have? Minus. Here before plus means you get plus only. No need to give sign, they didn't give. Here minus is there. First you write absolute value of any integer is always positive. Remember, either negative or positive, always we have to take positive. Next, addition of integers. How we will do addition? So 4 methods are there. Sum of two positive integers, always a positive integer. 3 plus 3 we are not writing like this always. No need to write also positives. So 3 plus 7 how much? 10. Next one. The sum of both negative integers means minus 7 plus of minus 4. The sum of both negative integers is always negative. But sum we have to take. 7 plus 4 how much? 7 plus 4 11. Minus 11 answer. So the sum of two negative integers is always negative only. Their integer sum we have to take. 7 plus 4 we have to do. But in the sum we have to write negative sign. Next, one positive, one negative. If you see. Minus 8 plus of plus 2. When we are adding one positive, one negative, one positive. Then what we have to see? First you have to do difference. 8 minus 2, 6. In that which is the bigger number? 8. So 8 has negative sign, you have to write negative. One more example. 9 plus of minus 10. So when we are adding one positive, one negative or one negative, one positive, first you do difference. 10 minus 9, 1. After what you have to see in the 2, which is the great number, for that sign you have to write in the answer. So 10 have minus, 10 is greater than 9, so we have to write like this, we have to add integers. So thank you, have a nice